Building, health, and environmental inspectors play a crucial role in ensuring the safety and well-being of the public. Their primary purpose is protecting life and property. They enforce building codes, electrical regulations, plumbing standards, and other safety measures to prevent structural failures, fires, and other accidents. Another crucial aspect is safeguarding public health. Inspectors examine food establishments, water supplies, sewage systems, and other facilities to ensure they meet sanitary standards and prevent the spread of diseases. They are also responsible for preserving the environment. This involves enforcing environmental regulations to protect air and water quality, prevent pollution, and minimize waste. While it's possible that inspectors may occasionally miss violations, they undergo rigorous training and possess specialized knowledge in their respective fields. They are required to stay up to date with building codes, health regulations, and environmental standards. Inspectors are typically held accountable for their work. They must follow established procedures, document their findings, and can be held liable for gross negligence or willful misconduct. While it is true that inspectors collect fees, these fees cover the cost of training, equipment, and administration. The revenue generated from these fees is often used to fund other government programs and services, including those that directly benefit the community. Beyond fee collection, inspectors provide other valuable benefits. One of the most important is early detection and prevention. Inspectors can identify potential hazards and violations before they become major problems, saving lives, property, and money. They also offer consumer protection. They ensure that products and services meet safety and quality standards, protecting consumers from unsafe or fraudulent practices. Inspectors educate the public about safety regulations, environmental issues, and other important matters, promoting responsible behavior. No inspection system is perfect, but inspectors play a vital role in maintaining public safety, health, and environmental protection. Their expertise and accountability help to ensure that our buildings, workplaces, and surroundings are safe and habitable. Considering the different types of inspections, we can delve into each one separately. Building inspectors focus on the structural integrity and safety of buildings. They review blueprints, inspect foundations, framing, electrical, plumbing, and mechanical systems to ensure compliance with building codes and regulations. Their expertise includes knowledge of structural engineering principles, fire safety, accessibility standards, and energy conservation requirements. Electrical inspectors specialize in electrical systems, ensuring that wiring, equipment, and installations meet the requirements of the National Electrical Code, or NEC, and local electrical codes. They inspect for potential hazards such as overloaded circuits, improper grounding, and defective equipment that could lead to electrical shocks or fires. Their training covers electrical theory, wiring methods, safety practices, and the interpretation of electrical codes. Plumbing inspectors focus on water supply, drainage, and waste disposal systems, ensuring that they are properly installed and maintained to prevent water contamination, leaks, and sewer backups. They inspect pipes, fixtures, and other plumbing components to verify compliance with plumbing codes and regulations. Their expertise includes knowledge of plumbing principles, water conservation techniques, and cross-connection control methods. Mechanical inspectors examine heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, or HVAC, systems to ensure that they are operating efficiently and safely. They inspect furnaces, air conditioners, ductwork, and other mechanical equipment to verify compliance with mechanical codes and regulations. Their training covers HVAC principles, energy efficiency standards, and refrigerant handling procedures. Health inspectors are responsible for ensuring that food establishments, water supplies, and other facilities meet sanitary standards to prevent the spread of diseases. They inspect restaurants, grocery stores, and other food handling establishments to ensure that food is stored, prepared, and served safely. They also inspect water treatment plants, swimming pools, and other water facilities to verify that they are properly maintained and operated. Their expertise includes knowledge of food safety principles, water treatment techniques, and disease prevention methods. Environmental inspectors enforce environmental regulations to protect air and water quality, prevent pollution, and minimize waste. They inspect industrial facilities, construction sites, and other sources of pollution to ensure that they are complying with environmental permits and regulations. They also investigate complaints of pollution and take enforcement actions against violators. Their training covers environmental science, pollution control technologies, and environmental law. The training and expertise required for inspectors can be quite extensive. Firstly, many inspectors have a background in construction, engineering, or a related field. This provides them with a solid foundation in building principles and practices. Secondly, inspectors typically undergo specialized training programs that cover building codes, health regulations, and environmental standards. These programs may be offered by government agencies, professional organizations, or educational institutions. Thirdly, inspectors are often required to pass certification exams to demonstrate their competency in their respective fields. These exams may be administered by national or local certifying bodies. Fourthly, inspectors are expected to stay up to date with changes in codes and regulations through continuing education courses and professional development activities. This ensures that they have the knowledge and skills necessary to enforce the latest standards. Accountability is a crucial aspect of the inspection process. Firstly, inspectors are required to follow established procedures for conducting inspections, documenting their findings, and issuing violation notices. These procedures help to ensure consistency and fairness in the enforcement process. Secondly, inspectors are subject to oversight by their supervisors and regulatory agencies. This oversight helps to prevent abuse of power and ensure that inspectors are performing their duties properly. Thirdly, inspectors can be held liable for gross negligence or willful misconduct. This provides a strong incentive for them to exercise due care in their work. Fourthly, inspectors are often required to maintain detailed records of their inspections, including photographs, reports, and correspondence. These records can be used to verify their findings and track compliance with regulations. The fees collected by inspectors play an important role in funding government programs and services. Firstly, the fees cover the costs of training, equipment, and administration. This ensures that inspection agencies have the resources they need to operate effectively. Secondly, the revenue generated from these fees is often used to fund other government programs and services, including those that directly benefit the community. Thirdly, the fees help to ensure that those who benefit from inspection services are the ones who pay for them. This is a fair and equitable way to fund these services. Fourthly, the fees can be used to incentivize compliance with the regulations. For example, businesses that comply with regulations may be eligible for reduced inspection fees. Inspectors provide numerous benefits beyond fee collection. Firstly, they identify potential hazards and violations before they become major problems, saving lives, property, and money. Secondly, they ensure that products and services meet safety and quality standards, protecting consumers from unsafe or fraudulent practices. Thirdly, they educate the public about safety regulations, environmental issues, and other important matters, promoting responsible behavior. Fourthly, they help to create a level playing field for businesses by ensuring that everyone is complying with the same standards. Consider the impact of early detection and prevention. Firstly, by identifying potential hazards early on, inspectors can prevent accidents and injuries from occurring. Secondly, by correcting violations before they become major problems, inspectors can save property owners and businesses significant amounts of money. Thirdly, by preventing environmental damage, inspectors can protect natural resources and public health. Fourthly, by ensuring compliance with regulations, inspectors can help to create a safer and healthier community for everyone. Consumer protection is another important benefit of inspections. Firstly, inspectors ensure that products and services meet safety and quality standards, protecting consumers from unsafe or fraudulent practices. Secondly, they help to create a level playing field for businesses by ensuring that everyone is complying with the same standards. Thirdly, they provide consumers with information about the safety and quality of products and services, allowing them to make informed decisions. Fourthly, they investigate consumer complaints and take enforcement actions against businesses that violate regulations. Education and awareness are also key roles for inspectors. Firstly, inspectors educate the public about safety regulations, environmental issues, and other important matters, promoting responsible behavior. Secondly, they provide businesses with guidance on how to comply with regulations. Thirdly, they work with community groups to raise awareness of safety and environmental issues. Fourthly, they participate in outreach events to educate the public about the importance of inspections. While no inspection system is perfect, inspectors play a vital role in maintaining public safety, health, and environmental protection. Firstly, their expertise and accountability help to ensure that our buildings, workplaces, and surroundings are safe and habitable. Secondly, they provide a valuable service to the community by identifying potential hazards, protecting consumers, and promoting responsible behavior. Thirdly, they help to create a level playing field for businesses by ensuring that everyone is complying with the same standards. Fourthly, they contribute to the overall quality of life by protecting our health, safety, and environment. It is important to recognize that inspectors face numerous challenges in their work. Firstly, they often have to deal with complex and technical regulations. Secondly, they may encounter resistance from property owners and businesses who are unwilling to comply with regulations. Thirdly, they may have to work in hazardous environments, such as construction sites and industrial facilities. Fourthly, they may be subject to political pressure from those who want to weaken regulations. Despite these challenges, inspectors remain committed to their mission of protecting public safety, health, and environmental protection. They are dedicated professionals who work hard to ensure that our communities are safe and healthy places to live. So, in summary, building health and environmental inspectors are essential for safeguarding public well-being. They enforce regulations, prevent hazards, and promote responsible behavior, contributing to safer and healthier communities for all. Their work is not just about collecting fees, it's about protecting lives, property, and the environment.